Here is how to prorate a mid-cycle upgrade in Stripe, step by step. Begin in your Stripe dashboard and open the customer record for the account whose subscription you want to upgrade. This should be the customer who already has an active subscription in place, since the change will be scheduled against that existing subscription rather than creating a new one. Once you are on the customer page, open the active subscription. You will be working inside the subscription details, where Stripe shows the current product, billing timing, and any pending changes. Take a moment to confirm that you are editing the correct subscription if the customer has more than one. Next, choose the option to update the subscription or schedule changes. The wording can vary slightly depending on your dashboard view, but you are looking for the control that allows you to make a future change to the current subscription. This is the point where Stripe opens the settings for the upcoming update. In the duration section, set the date when the upgraded plan should begin. This date determines when the new pricing takes effect, so make sure it matches the point in the billing cycle when you want the upgrade to start. If you select the wrong date here, the proration amount shown later may not match what you expect. After that, go to Pricing and replace the current product or price with the upgraded plan. You are not adding a second plan. You are changing the existing subscription pricing to the higher tier that should apply starting on the date you just selected. Check the plan name and price carefully before moving forward. Now find the proration section and enable bill for prorated change amount. This tells Stripe to calculate the partial charge for the difference between the current plan and the upgraded plan for the portion of the cycle affected by the change. Without this setting, the scheduled update may not bill the adjusted amount the way you intend. With that selected, look over to the preview panel, review the upcoming charges, and confirm that prorate changes appears for the scheduled update. This preview is where you verify that Stripe is recognizing the mid-cycle change correctly and applying the prorated billing behavior to the update you are scheduling. If the preview looks correct, click Save. Stripe will keep the scheduled subscription update with the new plan, the selected start date, and the proration setting you enabled. Finally, review the subscription changes one more time and click Schedule Test Subscription to finish. This confirms the scheduled upgrade and records the prorated billing setup on the subscription. The subscription upgrade is now scheduled in Stripe with prorated billing applied for the mid-cycle change.